Hello, welcome to week 2 of my Vlogmas vlogs. I didn't vlog yesterday because I had exam, and before an exam I want to focus on what I do, and after the exam I want to chill.
Weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Today is Tuesday. As you can see, I got ready. It's already in the afternoon. I wanted to chill in the morning, you know, getting my life back together because after an exam, I'm so tired. Today, I'm going to go to the post office, go to the, how's it called? Go see if they found my student card, and if not, then I have to see with them what we're going to do about my membership. And then I'm gonna meet up with a friend and we will go to the Christmas market. And you know, Christmas markets, Strasbourg. I don't know how to say Strasbourg in English. I say it in French, Strasbourg. I think it's the capital of Christmas. I have to deliver packages. The packages are big, y'all. Let me show you. Ignore the mess, but this is basically the 2 packages that I have to bring to the post office. And as you can see, I'm gonna go and then I'll catch up with you guys later. So now I deposit my packages and I will head to the city to get this problem sorted out of my passport card. So let's go. So, good news, guys. Okay, filming in public is so fucking rude. I got my card, a new card, and I didn't have to pay anything. That's nice. That's really nice. I'm really happy. Now it's getting dark outside and I'm getting cold. I had to do like a 30-minute queue, but I made it. I'm happy. My membership is still going on, so everything is nice. So now I'm waiting on my friend, so I'm just gonna film some footage of the city while waiting for her, and yeah.
Time of the year now, you got people falling in love. It brings you good cheer now when that mistletoe is above. Can you Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today snowflakes falling down, it's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you. No, 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 no. It's been a few years now, and this cold town's not quite the same. I wish you were here now, by the fire, stoking the flame. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid, waiting for a white Christmas, and today snowflakes falling down, it's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights.
Hello! We are back. Another day, another vlog. I think I missed 2 vlog days. Today's Friday. I think I stopped vlogging on Tuesday because I wasn't really feeling that well. And I feel like I don't like to film stuff you already have seen. Me studying, me eating, me cooking. I haven't done anything else. But I feel like I need some motivation again. Every time I need motivation, I actually film like for myself to see me study. And maybe it will help y'all study as well. So today, I woke up a few hours ago, but I ate breakfast late. Now I will eat later. Actually, I feel kind of lazy and antisocial. Like, I haven't seen anyone since Wednesday. I miss hanging out with friends, but I swore to myself I'm not doing anything until Monday because I have Monday my biggest exam ever. So it's better to hang out with my friends after Monday, so it's okay. And I feel like if I have no organization, I feel lazy, but if I write stuff down, I will do it. Today is study day. I think I'm gonna go downstairs. For those who follow me since forever, I live in a building that has study rooms and they closed it because of COVID, but now they reopened. But I haven't been there because, I don't know, I got so used to study in my room, and before I did not because I always studied downstairs. But I think I will go downstairs to really focus on my work. I can't focus right here, like I do stuff and then I stop doing it and whatever. I need to wash my dishes. I need to clean my room as well, so I think I'm gonna do a clean my apartment video type of thing. But first of all, I'm gonna stay here and wait until it's like 2 o'clock to start cooking. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I'm not hungry yet. You should usually have a nice eating schedule, guys. Don't do what I do. I don't want to film stuff that's unnecessary, so I'm gonna study and I'm gonna film when I'm cleaning and cooking. Bye. Clean this mess and also my bed and then cook at the same time, and I'll catch up with you later.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.